we've got something big to talk about today. And when I say big, I mean huge. Apple just dropped the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, and let's just say they're literally larger than life. Bigger displays, supercharged cameras, and a whole lot of tech magic. So, are these the best iPhones ever? Well, stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Oh, and trust me, you don't want to miss the new camera button, but more on that later. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. So let's start with the elephant in the room, the displays. The iPhone 16 Pro now sports a 6.3-inch screen, but the Pro Max, brace yourself, 6.9 inches. That's the biggest screen ever on an iPhone. If you thought the previous models were big, well, Apple just said, hold my lightning cable. But what's cool is that even though the screens are massive, the phones themselves don't feel like bricks. Apple trimmed down the bezels, so it's like having all screen and no bulk. I compared it side by side with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and honestly, the difference in size is almost negligible. So no need to hit the gym just to carry this thing around. And by the way, they've added a new color, Desert Titanium. Sounds fancy, right? It's got this peachy gold vibe that I'm kind of digging. But of course, you still have your classic black, white, and natural titanium options if you're not feeling adventurous. All right, now let's talk cameras because this is where Apple really went all out. First up, we've got a new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And let me tell you, this thing captures details so sharp, I could almost see the flower petals breathing. You also get that buttery smooth 4K slow motion video at 120 frames per second. I saw a demo of a guy on a motorcycle, and when they slowed it down, you could literally see the wind rippling through his jacket. It's like something out of a movie. But wait, there's more. The camera control button. Now, I'll be honest, this thing is a little finicky at first. It's recessed into the side of the phone and you use it to zoom, focus, and adjust settings like depth and exposure. It's haptic, so you can feel every click. But there's a bit of a learning curve, like me trying to swipe to zoom, and it didn't want to cooperate at first. Once you get the hang of it though, it's pretty slick. Under the hood, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max pack Apple's brand new A18 Pro chip. And let me tell you, this chip is fast. We're talking 15% faster CPU and 20% less power consumption. Apple calls this their Apple Intelligence era. And it's all about smarter everything, whether you're summarizing long notes, generating images in apps, or even having Siri hold more natural conversations. Oh, and gamers, you're going to love this. The new 6-core GPU means console-level graphics on your phone. I was playing Honor of Kings World, and wow, stunning sunsets, smooth animations. It's like having a portable gaming console in your pocket. Let's talk battery life, because Apple's promising more hours of screen time. The iPhone 16 Pro gives you 22 hours of video streaming, while the Pro Max bumps that up to 29 hours. That's a full day and then some. It's all thanks to that A18 Pro chip and a bigger battery, and this is a big, but we're still stuck with the same 25-watt charging speeds. Come on, Apple. We're living in the age of fast charging. Meanwhile, Android users are like, you still waiting for your phone to charge? So here's the million-dollar question, or should I say, the $11.99 question. Should you go for the iPhone 16 Pro or the Pro Max? Well, if you love big screens and want the longest battery life possible, the Pro Max is a no-brainer. But honestly, the regular Pro packs almost all the same features in a slightly smaller, more affordable package. Either way, you're getting a beast of a phone. All right, so there you have it. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be some serious contenders. Bigger screens, next level cameras, and enough power to fuel your wildest tech dreams. But what do you think? Are you upgrading or sticking with your current phone? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you liked this video and want more hands-on reviews and first looks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.